our 30-inch stainless steel work table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have 30 inches in length by 12 inches in depth. The height with legs, we have 34.5 inches tall. Thickness for the table will be 1 3/4 inches. And for the shelf, 1.5 inches. And measurements of length and depth for the bottom shelf will include 22 inches in length with at least 8 inches in depth. Please note that the bottom shelf is fixed and cannot be adjusted. Each corner are held in by rivets that can be locked and screwed into the leg for installation. So again, the shelf cannot be adjusted to the height and is fixed to this current position. From the bottom to the top, we have at least 16 3/4 inches in height, measuring the bottom to the top of the base. And the measurement from the shelf to the top of the table, we have at least 17 inches. Coming to the side will be the NSF certification. And this table can hold and support weight for each of the equipment that we sell through our website. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.